Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the options that you have for Samsung calculator, Samsung phone calculators. There are actually, you can use it. Let's open it first, go here, open the calculator. So when you open it, you'll come to this screen here. And you can just this is the simple calculator. You can just do simple calculations. Let's say 5 times 2 equal 10. And then actually you can erase it. So there are other options, which is this scientific calculator. So if you see, I'm pointing with the smart pen, but if you click on this one, it will actually change the orientation because you need more button. So it will change the orientation. With this one you can do squares, like let's say you know, you want 2 square, so it will be 4. Or if you want let's say cube of 2, so you say 2 cube 3 should be 8, 8, and so on. You can take the root of, let's say you erase this, you take the root of 9, should be 3 root equal, sorry, I did the wrong way. So root 9 equal 3. Root 16, if we do root 16, will be root 16 should be 4. So what did I do? Root 16 16 equal 4. Okay, so this is an option, so you use it as a scientific. The other option is conversion, and that's here. Right, so you do this if you want, you do this, and you can see here you can use the area, and you just from the drop down you can select what unit, like a squared unit, of course, the area, like whether square feet, square inch, square meter, hectares, areas, and square centimeters. Let's say you want to know what the square meter to square foot, let's say to square foot. So we can say 1 square meter, it will be here, you can see it's 10.76 square foot. So and or the other way around, you can do the other way around, is select square foot. Those who want to buy houses and they say, okay, my house is 2100 square foot, and you change it to square meter, that will bring it to 195 square meter. So that's this. You want the length, you can from feet to, you can see 1 feet, you'll see it's 0.30, or you can do from like kilometer, inches, yard, miles. If you want to know 1 mile to 1 kilometer, so 1.609, which is 1.61. Then you can change the temperature, convert the temperature from, like, let's say in US, if they say the weather is, let's say, just say 72, this means it's 22.22 Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, so and so if it's, let's say 65, it means 18. Okay, so that's the temperature. Now you can have use the volume, it's gallon to liter, or cubic meter or cubic, so you can select from which unit you want to convert to to which. So from here, let's say you want to convert cubic meter to liter, so to a liter. So 1 cubic meter is equals 1000 kilometer. And the other thing is mass. You can use pound, kilogram. Again, from the drop down list, you select from which unit you want you have and you want to convert to this one here, and you just type it. So data, megabyte, kilobyte, the speed, same thing, millimeter per second. You have the time. If you want from, let's say you find how many seconds in 1 hour, how many seconds in 1 hour, 3600. And here are some, finally there are some tips on, if you want, let's say, tip someone for 15%, you just basically put, let's say, if you have 30, so it means you tip them 4.5. If the tip is 16 from here, 16%, and your bill you want to tip, it will be $8 if your bill is 50. And yeah, so that's basically this calculator is not just the calculator. So we go, this is now this way simple. You can click on this to be scientific, and since it will have more button, it will go to landscape like this, or you just turn it turn it by 90 degrees and it will switch automatically. You can go to your history here, you see what you did, right, and you can just clear the history from here. So that's it. So let me know if you have questions or if this was useful for you, and hope to see you in another video, and thank you.